Done. Okay, so now we are going for the beach.
Yep.
मैंने ट्राइपॉड भी साथ में ले लिया है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है यार.
बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है.
हाँ,
सीरियसली.
पहन लिया.
By the way, looking cute in this hat.
Thank you.
चलो चलो चलो.
आ जाओ. आ रहा हूँ.
अरे इतना पेट्रोल से लग रहा है. Look at this view. It's looking so gorgeous, man. So damn gorgeous. Ocean's blue, sky is blue, everything is blue. So we are actually sitting over here, and she is also chilling. She's enjoying the view.
Yeah.
So like photos have already been posted in the video. So I went to the water actually. The thing is that if we are deciding to walk, there are a lot of pebbles and it hurts. But once you are there and it comes over here, like the water depth is still here, not that much, it's not deep that much. I told her to go, but she is like, no, I won't be going that much.
No, I went actually. इतना नहीं जा पाएंगे, थोड़ा सा पैर में लगा है, that's fine, but I went. जितना हो सके I went. But yeah, I enjoy the pictures actually more.
Scenery enjoy करने के लायक है, and the wind is also cool, calm.
So now it is 4 p.m. So it's evening now. So अभी हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा पानी में रह लिए. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं रूम पर. थोड़ा सा जकूज़ी में देखते हैं अगर हो सके तो, नहीं तो we need to take shower. Let's see. Okay, so यहाँ पर I'm just removing the sand so that I can enter in the room. ताकि रूम गंदा ना हो जाए. As well, they have given us the
Clean water
service.
as well, yeah.
Service we can do it. Hello friends, good evening. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं डिनर में. So this is my birthday outfit.
And that is a gorgeous dress.
Yeah, I'm liking the floral prints as well as the cut here. So it's giving me extravagant look. So चलो अभी लेट हो रहा है.
हाँ
रास्ते में vlog करते हैं.
हाँ. So they have done a special decoration for Simu's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday once
nice
again.
gesture of them.
Yep. Look at the flower decoration.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
The light decoration. It's all looking lovely and gorgeous. Happy?
Yeah. So much.
Okay. Breads का collection फिर से as usual.
Breads का collection है. I think
But this is a nice decoration. हाँ, this is a garlic olive bread. ये interesting है. ये try करेंगे. Focaccia. Nice. फिर brown sorted bread with fennel seeds. हाँ, fruits का selection है. हाँ, तुम आ जाओ. फिर ये क्या है? वनीला आलमंड क्रीम, ग्रीन टी वनीला. वाव. ओके. फिर ये क्रॉस्टेल, फिर बिस्किट. या दिस इज कम्प्लीटली डेजर्ट सेक्शन. ओके. यप. ओके. मेन कोर्स अभी यहाँ से ही चालू. पिज़्ज़ा. ओके.
I think it's a Sunday special.
Yeah, this is Sunday special pizza. Okay, then okay, types of assorted. Okay, those are assorted. Okay, then fritto, just a mix of fried seafood and vegetables. Okay, then papad
Yeah, same
as
thing.
usual. Stuffed slow roasted pork. Okay, then potato. Oh, you see. Okay.
Ganache.
Yep. Got it.
It's a different stuff.
Yeah, they need to make it actually. Then over here, shell pasta with vegetables. Vespa. Oh god. What a replica. Nice.
Chalo,
Okay.
let's eat then.
Seafood order with tomato sauce. Okay. Chicken piccata.
Are show them the ingredients as well, how
हाँ.
they are looking.
अंदर भी दिखाए.
Just don't read
Roasted duck.
ये तो
फिर
nothing is there. chalo.
marinated lamb. Okay. वो तो नाम
Let's
से.
have.
हाँ. चलो.
So here I took pizza, then cauliflower I think you guys can see as it's dark here. We actually sitting outside today.
Let's
Yeah.
wait. Then we will get this.
Okay. So पहले तुमने ये वाला नहीं किया था. What was this?
This is tiramisu.
Tiramisu. Okay. It's a bread. Yeah, pizza, cauliflower. Then this one is tomato, some bread.
Tomato bread,
Baked,
basically.
हाँ. Baked tomato bread. And what you have? Oh my God.
Same thing.
Plenty of food, हाँ.
यहाँ पर दाल है.
दाल तो रहती नहीं. It's sambar.
सांभर सॉरी. फिर ये गार्लिक ऑलिव
Yeah,
ब्रेड.
actually he will not eat as much. We'll divide and eat.
एक्स्ट्रा आइटम्स ले आऊँ ताकि हम शेयर कर
Yeah, and
सकें.
it's a
फिर यहाँ
some
पर
sort of sauce
pizza-
pasta.
I mean pasta.
No, I was showing this one, the
Okay.
green color card.
Yeah, this is also a pasta.
Okay, let's have it.
Laro.
हाँ, I took a plate of sweet. This desserts.
Introduce. क्या है?
Introduction of them.
Yep.
I forgot the names.
Is this like a? Okay, it looks like a cheesecake.
It's like a white
White cheesecake. Okay.
Then it's sort of apple pie.
Apple pie.
Vegan
okay.
apple pie.
Then
It's a brownie
chocolate
cake,
brownie cake.
pastry.
Okay.
It is also some sort of
This is a
custard.
Yeah, custard cheesecake. Okay.
Custard cheesecake. And there's
And this
two
is a
sweet balls.
Okay, sweet balls.
Sweet
Okay,
balls.
I see.
And it's a pina colada.
Yeah, it's like mix of 3 flavors actually. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's have it.
Okay, so now we came at the end of the dinner with coffee.
Yeah.
We're ending the dinner with coffee. There are lots of cookies. I'm just showing you one by one.
Yep. All
Okay.
different types of.
So these two are almond cookies. Almond with chocolate crumbles. And this one is a biscotti. Okay. And
These are also like the same. Like these are 2 different types of like almond roast
Huh.
which they're basically
yes,
used.
correct. And this one is a sort of ice cream they
Like
have
sweet
served us.
dessert bun.
It is basically a sweet bun. Okay.
Let me just show it to them. Yep.
It's basically a sweet bun given filled with ice cream and some
Whipped
whipped
cream.
cream.
Yep.
Yeah. It's a new dish actually.
And
this one
that-
is the ice cream.
Cream on topping, you can say.
Yeah, no cherry on top, but there are almond roasted coconut, then chocolate chips, then some crumbled chocolate syrup and some crumbled crushed coconuts.
Yep. So let's
So
have it.
let's enjoy our dinner and happy birthday to me with a nice dessert.
Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Srimoi. Happy birthday to you. Huh. That's.
सो आज नाइफ नहीं मिला है सो स्पून ही ठीक है तो स्पून से हम लोग काट रहे हैं सो थैंक्स टू द मेरू पीपल यू ऑल्सो कम इन द मिरर सॉरी कैमरा कट दिस अरे सो थैंक्स टू मेरू पीपल दे हैव अरेंज सच अ नाइस जेस्चर हैप्पी बर्थडे केक आई थिंक यू took the picture, right?
Yeah, the picture will be there. You should be able to see in the
Yeah.
preview.
So thanks to them बर्थडे केक अरेंज किया उन लोगों ने एज वेल एज दे हैव ऑल्सो ऑफर्ड दिस शैम्पेन आई थिंक वी हैव डन दिस वीडियो
I think maybe no. That was for the when we entered the room
ओके
that time.
या दिस इज द स्पेशल वन
Yeah.
A champagne.
When we entered the beach villa, that time it was there. But yeah, I think that was.
No. It was there the morning as well.
Yeah, it was there. Okay. Yeah. Still, it's a nice gesture from them.
Yeah.
All right. Oh wait. रुको तुमको अभी खिलाना
तो तुम भूल गए मुझे खिलाने
है। No, तुम. Now it's time for you to have it.
ऑल राइट सो अभी इट इज़ 11 PM अभी हम लोग सोएंगे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ हो गया आज के लिए सो टुमारो विल मीट यू देन और हम लोग मतलब ये जो मालदीव्स का जो सीरीज़ है इसमें हम लोग व्लॉग को मतलब एंडिंग या फिर स्टार्टिंग नहीं कर रहे इट इज़ डेफिनेटली अ कंटिन्यूअस व्लॉग विल गो ऑन फॉर 4 to 5 days so yeah you guys can enjoy you guys will I hope you guys will enjoy as well with us our Maldives trip वैकेशन। ठीक है, सो गुड नाइट ऑल, कल मिलते हैं फिर।